Alright, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be dealing on general method of integration. These are the questions we'll be solving for proper understanding. Let's solve question 1. It says, evaluate 6x squared minus 5 dx. Our first task here is to attach the integral sign and variable to each of the term. So here we have 6x squared dx minus 5 dx. Our next task here is to bring out the constant terms. 6 is a constant term. So we have integral of x squared dx minus, bring out 5, integral of dx. If you integrate x raised to power 2 with respect to x, you'd have x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. Remember, you add 1 to the power and then you divide by the power plus 1 minus 5 multiplied by x. At this point, integral sign cancels differentiation. Why? Because integration is the inverse of differentiation. So we are only left with x, and 5 multiplied by x is 5x. So here we have x raised to power 2 plus 1 is x raised to power 3 all over 3 minus 5x. Three into itself is 1. 3 into 6 is 2. So our answer becomes 2x raised to power 3 minus 5x. And then you attach the constant of integration, which is c. Now let's solve the second question. It says, evaluate 3x squared minus 6x plus 5, then dx. Our first task is to attach the integral sign to each of the terms. So we have 3x squared dx minus 6x dx plus 5 dx. Our next task is to bring out the constant term. So we have here 3 integral of x squared dx minus 6 integral of x dx plus 5 integral of dx. So d, which is differentiation, cancels integral sign. So if you integrate, you would have 3 open bracket x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 minus 6 open bracket x raised to power 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1, and then plus 5 multiplied by x. So we have here 3x raised to power 3 all over 3 minus 6x squared all over 2 plus 5x. 3 cancels 3. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 6 is 3. So we are left with x raised to power 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x, and then you attach your integration constant, which is c. So this is our final answer. All right, so let's solve the third question. Evaluate 4x raised to power 3 divided by 5 minus 2x squared plus 6x raised to power all over 7, plus 7, and then dx. We are asked to evaluate this. Our first task is to attach integration sign to each of the terms. So we have here 4 all over 5 x raised by 3 dx minus 2x squared dx plus 6x all over 7 dx, and then plus 7 dx.